Yeah, you need to. Yep. Good. You're fine. You're good.